Hello friends, this is Riu Palace Costa Mujeres, room 2. I'm here, hello, in my room. So we have the bathroom area over here with the Lavarino Corso Italy cosmetics, bath shower gel, condition, moisturizing lotion. Okay, here we have the pretty much let me see, regular travel kit, for Riu Palace. Glasses. Okay. It's shower here with shower gel, shampoo, space for towel. Okay. So for 3 person it will be one king size and the sofa. I don't know if it's comfortable or not, I'll try today. Okay, this is the view. How to open the door? Oh, I don't know how to do that. Okay, I forgot. This is the view from my room. I think it's pretty much gorgeous view with pools, with trees. It's non-smoking area. The hotel was built in 2018, so they have 24 hours room service. So you can text there anytime. Okay, the TV, drinks, water, the coffee machine, decaf and regular coffee. Okay, oops, it's the refrigerator with beer, Coca-Cola, 7-Up and water. Only 2 ropes. We have 3 person and they gives us just only 2 of them, and when I came to the reception they didn't give me the 3rd one. It's not good, Okay, the toilet. I think this room it's worse than the room in Riu Palace Las Americas, especially for 3 people. I think it's smaller, and the view it's like it's okay, but not 5-star hotel. It's pretty much clean. It's pretty much nice, but not like something wow, But I like the view. The reception, when I came to reception and asked them why they gives me just 1 king size bed for 3 people. They answered me, oh, it's okay, we have sofa. But no any pillows, no, the sofa was not prepared, you know. And I still need to go down and ask them to bring me the third one white robe, you know, for third person. So I don't like the reception area there, but it's pretty much clean. The bath is interesting, good. Okay, the mirrors are good, and the cosmetic is like regular for Riu Palace. Okay, so also they have the safe, extra pillow, extra blanket. They have iron, they have no steamer, so I brought the steamer from my home. Barcela Maya Palace Adults only provide steamer, so I think the Barcela Maya Palace Adults only is my favorite room in Cancun. This is toys from the towels. It's pretty much nice, you know. It's nice. Okay. Information. The sheets are clean. I think it's pretty much decent, you know, for sleeping. It's okay. So I hope we will enjoy our stay in Riu Palace Costa Mujeres.